It's blending something. It did something. You can see.
Yes, sir.
It combined with the grass basically. Yeah.
Hmm.
So easiest way will be you can blend two and then like paint in between colors, like whatever you want to
The
paint.
rest.
It'll be easy,
Yes, sir.
much easier. And still compiling. Okay. Okay. Your question was you wanted to create a specific texture for this, and you want to blend it with tile level map also, right? I just create something. So it's fine. Okay, just like randomly unwrap something. And now I want to create a specific texture. Suppose I want to create texture for this part, and for this part I'm going to use the tile level map. That's what your idea, right? Or hello,
Yes, sir.
like Sijo, that's what you asked, right?
नहीं सर, नहीं नहीं।
What you asked? Tell me now. Tell me.
हेलो। हाँ
Huh.
सर, तो लाइक अब ये पूरा मॉडल पे मेरा एक बेस टेक्सचर है, मे बी लाइक वुड और समथिंग लाइक अ मटेरियल।
Okay.
एंड सर मेरे को उसके ऊपर लाइक मॉस एंड डर्ट ऐड करने का है।
Okay.
बट सर जिस तरीके से मैंने मॉडल किया है, आई कैन नॉट डू वर्टेक्स पेंटिंग ऑन इट, सो पूरा अनरियल में नहीं होएगा। तो सर व्हाट आई वाज प्लानिंग वाज कि अनरियल में तो टाइलेबल टेक्सचर डाल दूंगा, हाँ, जो भी पूरा
And
मटेरियल का है।
okay, and combine it with the substance texture. That's what your plan.
यस सर, यस सर,
Okay.
यस। तो
No,
सब्सटेंस में मॉस और डर्ट ऐड करेगा एंड देन कंबाइन इट विद द
then
मटेरियल।
like, but then color will change. That's the
हाँ हाँ सर,
problem.
वही।
So in this case, what you have to do is you have to create the material within Unreal with the help of a mask. So let's see. Then I can show it directly in Unreal only. Open this thing. So I have this rectangular shape, this thing perfectly UV and everything. So I'll go to the one. I'll create a material. Oh, I pressed import, I guess. Oh, materials. Open it, and you want a material, tile level material, plus you want to add a non-tile level material, or maybe uh, another
हाँ,
tile level
समथिंग यूनिक टेक्सचर बस।
unique texture, right? So let's see. So for this one, I'll just open. I need that. This moss looks kind of nice. I'll go moss roughness normal is enough for me. Okay. Okay, let's do it with only diffuse. So you'll understand like same thing I have to repeat for normal and everything. So
यस
ये मेरा material है, ये मेरा suppose this is my unique material. So in this case, to apply a unique material on that specific model, I need to have a mask. With the
यस
help of a mask, I can apply this. So what I'll do is, let me see. In under decal, I'll find couple of, I guess. Let's see.
Sir, the mask will basically be a alpha map.
Alpha map, yes, black and white alpha map. So like this, you can see I have an opacity map here. I just importing this map. So this thing will be like will be exposed with the help of this mask. Wherever this mask
यस
is
सर,
visible, it will visible. So now I need
यस
a
सर।
tileable map for the rock or anything surface, right? So let's
हाँ
go and apply it. Okay, let's add this one only. So this have like you can see it very clearly. Diffuse. So this is my tileable map. So I'll add a tiling multiply
सर इसका शॉर्टकट क्या है?
इसका
Keys
u left mouse button.
for tiling.
Okay. Tiling underscore 01 and default value should be 1. So this is suppose this is my tileable texture and this is my non-tileable texture. So I have to blend them together. So how we'll blend? We'll blend with linear interpolation. A is my texture and B is my this texture. So B will be exposed with the help of this mask. Wherever this mask is applied, it will be visible. Apply it. And then, and for this also, if I want, I can apply here also. If I want, I can apply a tiling. You just need this mask. You can export this mask from like wherever you're creating those moss and everything. Now, in Substance, you have this black and white mask. You just export that mask. Only and only that. Right click, export as a matte texture is an option, and export it to desktop. You can see it blends.
Yes, sir.
With this. Right, you have a tileable map plus a non-tileable map.
So sir, I have to do this process for all the maps, right? If I have like normal, albedo, diffusion.
Yes, if you are using diffuse and all, in that case, that will be really nice. Or like, okay, I'll just save this. Save and where it.
So linear interpolation का shortcut क्या था sir?
L left mouse button.
Okay.
Okay, I just need to create a right click, instance, apply it here. Sorry.
Sir, compile हो रहा.
Oh, compile हो रहा है. Yes. Compile jaldi. Acha, one more thing for the final submission, you can like second will be your final submission date. 1 week of extension we can have, but only problem is I have like another class there. So this we only Saturday we can have class for doubt clearing and all. Or if in between class, if you need something after 6 o'clock something, we can plan it out. Like if required, some other separate class. Okay?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Okay, it's applied. So now you can see the tiling is like it's tiling everywhere, and this is also tiling everywhere. So if I don't want to reduce tiling, you can see moss will be there only.
Yes, sir.
So that won't move. You can use this and create specific texture, but this is like this is okay. This is something generic we can do. But if you want very specific to the model and very nicely this thing, I'll recommend use decal map instead of this. Like a if we go to
सर ये भी एक डाउट है
sir,
how to create our own decal maps.
You just need alpha for that texture. Any map can be decal. Any map, any texture can be decal. You just need a alpha. That's it. So decal last time किया था ना हमने बनाया. Last time we did it, right? Decal map. You just have to decal. I guess I haven't saved.
सर आपने दिखाया था कैसे अप्लाई होता है, बट बनाना नहीं बताता.
ये बनाना बताया था ना, ये defer decal change करके. मटेरियल पड़ा हुआ है यहाँ पे. You just have to change this the material for main domain to defer decal and translucent. That's it.
Okay.
And you need a alpha. बस और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. That's like you need alpha and change this to now. You can just drag drop and use it. You can see. Okay, if I use
Okay, sir. समझ में आ गया.
Okay, like you can use any texture here and use it. So idea is if you use a default decal, it will be very specific to that particular model. You can place it and play around and create very specific detail very easily. Mega scan, where is my mega scan? You can see I have a lot of decal maps here. Like suppose this is decal map and project it here. See, so wherever I want to project, I can project it. It works with, you see, normal and everything works with this.
Yes, sir.
So you can have a very specific decal map, and you can see it blends with that green and the base also. You can
Yes, sir.
control this thing very easily. And let's see, so use some debris. Yeah, see layering. So wherever you want to place, you can place it very nicely, create a very nice and specific result, like output. So this give you better result and better control. So like if possible, use this. This is like most of the games they use decal map. So use decal map. That will be like way easier to control, and plus it will give you better result.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
And suppose you are having difficulty with decal. So what you can do is this material, browse to any material, open it. You can see if you double click, it will open another material. It's a master material. So this is, you can see decal master. So see
sir.
where it is. If you want to use this one, right click, create an instance and open it. You can see roughness, opacity, normal, albedo options are there. Switch it on
Yes, sir.
and replace your texture here directly. It will become that decal with all these parameters.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So you don't have to create it manually also.
Okay, sir.
So it will like very easy, very simple. You can use this.
So it will use the same alpha basically.
No, you have to use you have to apply your alpha. Here you can see in this is the here what there's one master material. They just simply replace the textures. You can see there's alpha. You have to replace with your own alpha.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just एक second. Attendance ले लो. 3 मिनट बाकी है मेरा क्लास. मेरा
तो सर यही अगर कुछ स्टोन्स बना रहे सर,
ऑफिशियल गोल है.
what is this?
इजराइल
हाँ, tell me.
हाँ सर, अगर कुछ स्टोन लाइक अभी मेरे इसमें लाइक सर स्टोन स्टेयरकेस है,
Okay.
लाइक अ वेरी इरेगुलर स्टोन है सर, तो सर उसमें भी लाइक वो इरेगुलरिटी लेके आने के लिए should I use like how do I make it? Do I make the basic structure as a cube and then add decal map, or like do I bake that unevenness on it by making it in ZBrush?
Or you can just create a specific broken part and place it there.
Okay.
So उससे काम बन जाएगा.
सर बट डिकैल से तो ये बहुत इजीली हो जाएगा.
हाँ, like if you want it in geometry, in that case you have to create a geometry. Decal is just a texture. Decal is just a texture to give you an illusion, nothing else. Okay, we have Joe, Sonam, over there. So if you if you want, you can definitely use decal. Decal is like a way I recommend decal because it gives you better result and you have a full control over it. So because for this tiling, I have to manually go and check the tiling and change it, right? And in decimals, I have to go and 0.001, 0.002, I have to match it. If you have a decal, I can simply select this, like squeeze it, scale it, whatever I want to do, I can do it directly here.
Yes, sir.
So it gives me better result and like I have more like flexibility. So you can use this. Okay. Okay, then I'll see you like tomorrow. I have another class now.
So
Okay,
one
sir.
second.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Yes. Tell me, Uday.
Like I am stuck in that Unreal. Can I just share my screen?
Okay. Quickly, my class started. Another class. Quickly, quickly.
Uh, Sir, it says host disabled participants screen share.
Oh, I guess I have restarted it. Yes. Screen share and okay. Now you can share.
Like this one,
Hmm.
like no matter what I do, it's not matching the reference. Like the texture wise.
The texture, that texture we have, like, okay, this is, so I guess Megascan default texture, right? High level texture.
Yes.
Yes.
The ground texture.
Ground texture. So you can like use some rock texture and try to match the color also. If you select the Megascan material, if you select your wall,
Yes, sir. Select
like
my
any
wall.
one of them, double click, open the this texture you have manually created.
Like I downloaded from Bridge and converted into procedural map. Like went to Substance Painter,
Okay,
added it,
okay.
everything.
So you added all this dirt in Substance, I believe.
Yes. Dirt, all this other
Cracks and
things are
everything. Yes. So you have added all this thing in Substance. So like that texture you need to basically texture you have to match. Texture
Mm.
texture you have to match in Substance itself. Then only it will match.
And can I not just add like grunge and all and cover it up here? Like defer decals and all.
Yes, of course you can add decals directly. Use decal only. It will give you better result.
Okay. And one more about that landscape
Hmm.
here. This is what you told, right? Like if you have three textures, you first combine two of them, add another lerp,
No, no, no,
combine
no,
the third,
no, 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 no. Just connect directly. Just connect directly. No lerp.
or just directly connected to a layer blend.
Layer blend. Yes, everything.
Then don't you need to add alpha and all?
Alpha is for if you creating auto blend. In that case, if you're
Okay.
using auto blend, then a linear interpolation, lerp. If you're not using auto blend, then delete lerp and delete your wall align blend and connect them directly.
Okay. So what I need to do now is just add grunge and edit the texture in this, right?
Yes, texture itself. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Bye. Bye.